at AgeWave, not only do we go out and do keynote speeches like this and write books and articles, we also do a lot of primary research. And we've done a lot of research with all the generations on retirement and the second half of life. We've probably done more research than any other group out there. And recently, we took a look at the 4 generations out there, and this is really pretty fascinating. How do they look at accumulating their money for retirement? How do they plan on saving? And what we found was there was distinct differences between the generations. Now, if we look at the silent generation, they're sort of the traditional 3-legged stool. The idea being that they'll rely on personal savings, employer pensions, and Social Securities, not in exactly equal numbers, but close to equal numbers. Now, if we take a look at that baby boom generation, we see suddenly that personal savings, it begins to go up. We look at that next generation, the Gen Xers, and we see that suddenly more than half of their retirement savings is going to come from their personal savings. So no longer are they thinking they're going to be relying on the government or on their boss or their employer. They're thinking they're responsible. They're the ones who are going to have to take control of it. By the way, there was a study done a few years ago asking Gen Xers about their relationship to retirement. They said they thought it would be more likely that they would meet an extraterrestrial than that they would get Social Security as we know it today. And if we go down one more generation to the millennials, they get completely that they are going to have to depend on themselves. Suddenly, saving for retirement becomes a personal project. You have to be self-reliant.